Hello beautiful people. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make your own papaya powder or pawpaw powder at home. So if that sounds like something you would like to learn, keep watching. Of course, to make our papaya powder we're going to be needing fresh organic pawpaw. I am not using a whole pawpaw. I just cut this out of a whole pawpaw and I've washed it and cleaned it thoroughly. As you can see, it is very clean. So we're going to be using this to make our papaya powder. Next, you're going to take your peeler, your knife or your grater and slice the pawpaw into thin slices. You need very thin slices. So if you're using a knife, you need to be absolutely careful. Make sure it is very thin so that it will be easier to dehydrate it. As you can see, I'm using a peeler here, but you can use a knife if that's what you're comfortable with, or you can use a grater. If you would like to make a large quantity of the papaya powder, then you can use a whole pawpaw or you can use 2 pawpaws or even more. And here is what the pawpaw looks like after slicing. As you can see, there are thin slices, nothing heavy, so that it will be easy to dehydrate it. At this point, you can either sun dry this until they are completely dried, or you can put this in your oven for a short while until everything is completely dried. If this video has been helpful, please make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And here is what my completely dried pawpaw slices look like. Everything is completely dried and it's very crunchy when you touch it. Now I'm going to put this in my blender and blend until it becomes a powder. And this is what it looks like after blending. As you can see, it's now powdered. However, this is not smooth enough. I want a smoother powder, so I'm going to sieve this. So I'll pour the powder into my sieve and then I will try to sieve it to get a smooth and fine powder. If you like, you can actually leave yours without sieving, but if you would like a smooth powder, then please sieve it. After sieving, you will have some chaff left. You can use this to make a scrub or a face mask. And this is what the sieved papaya powder looks like. As you can see, it's smoother than when we just blended it. You can use this papaya powder to make a number of skincare products. You can use this to make your scrubs, your face mask. You can use this for your black soaps and so on. If you got to this point of this video, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you did, please make sure you like this video, drop a comment, ask your questions, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on more amazing content like this. Bye and see you in my next video.